In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your Facebook Messenger conversations and clear your chat history. If you're looking for a fresh start, stick around. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, you'll see all your chats. To delete them, you'll need to do it one by one. Press and hold the conversation you want to delete. A Messenger menu will pop up. Simply click on delete. From the menu, select delete. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Tap delete again to remove the conversation. Repeat this process for each conversation you want to delete. Unfortunately, there's no bulk delete option, so it might take some time if you have a lot of chats. If you want to clear all messenger data, you can go to your phone settings, tap on apps, find messenger, and select storage. From there you can clear data and cache, but keep in mind this will log you out. And that's it, you've successfully deleted all your Facebook Messenger conversations and cleared your chat history.